It's time again for meteorologists to make their prediction for the winter season. Now, the average winter temperature for Grand Rapids is 26.8 degrees, and the average snowfall, 74.9 inches. Now, last year I forecast the winter of 2015-16 and would feature warmer than average temperatures with below average snowfall for Grand Rapids. Now, temperatures did average 31.5 degrees, the 7th warmest on record, and we ended up with only 61.1 inches of snowfall for the season. So what about this year? First off, there's this thing called the Arctic Oscillation, and right now it's causing colder temperatures and more snow cover than usual in Siberia. Why does snow in Siberia matter to us? Stay tuned and I'll show you. Second, Arctic sea ice is well below normal. That usually leads to a colder forecast. Why? Well, that snow cover I mentioned earlier, paired with the low Arctic sea ice, strengthens a high pressure area over Siberia. That high pressure area leads to a weaker polar vortex. Remember the polar vortex? That's that whirlpool of air spinning up close to the North Pole. When the polar vortex is weak, it eases its hold on the jet stream. It lets it cross the polar region and heads further south. Wham! Right into eastern North America. And lastly, a weak La Nina is expected this winter. And statistically speaking, since 1950, 9 out of those 11 La Nina winters have been colder, with snowfall split right down the middle. So what does all this mean for West Michigan? Well, I predict we're going to have a slightly colder than average winter and above average snowfall. Now we just have to grab our gloves and shovels and wait to see how well I hit the mark.